What VDOT recommends for motorists, first of all, is to make sure their car is in good working condition. The fluids are topped off, tires are inflated to the proper amount. Make any runs they need to the grocery stores or whatever prior to the storm. Once the storm actually starts, we ask for the motorists to stay off the road as much as possible. This makes it much easier for us to be able to maintain the roads and keep them for safe travel. What we recommend, if drivers are already on the road once the storm starts, again, is get to your destination safely, first of all. But second of all, keep an eye out for our equipment that's out working on the road. There's signs behind that may say keep back 100 feet. We ask that you do that. That's for our safety. And just obey, make sure you obey traffic signals and such. People tend to want to push the red lights or whatever when the traffic's bad. We ask that you don't do that. But more than anything, stay off the road as much as you can. We pre-position 4x4s, our trucks, in subdivisions anytime there's 2 inches of snow or more that is being called for. We don't officially start plowing in the subdivisions until there's at least 2 inches of snow on the ground. But we will mobilize our 4x4 fleet, our subdivision fleet. We'll have them out in the subdivisions pre-positioned so that once 2 inches are on the ground, we start our efforts to push the snow. Well, again, we consider road passable when a small compact-sized car, maybe rear-wheel drive, can go in and out of the road. We do not necessarily go down to bare pavement. It's kind of hard once you have packed snow to go all the way down to bare pavement. But again, we want it passable so that that compact car can go in and out. If that compact car can make it in and out of the road, any other vehicle should be able to do it. One of the things that VDOT that we highly recommend is again, in order to make it easier for us to plow and treat the roads as we do, is to park on the odd side of the street once inclement weather comes in. Also, if at all possible, please park within your driveway, in your garage. The less vehicles we have on the road, the easier it is for us to treat the roads and keep them passable.